Hello, my name is Jim Goenner. On behalf of our team at the National Charter Schools Institute, we are excited to welcome you to this Epicenter webinar. We have three main goals we'd like to achieve with you over the next 60 minutes. First, we want to share with you how we are evolving Epicenter from its origin as a compliance and document management tool into a web-based portfolio and performance management system that authorizers, boards, schools, service providers, and support organizations can use to align efforts, strengthen communications, and increase productivity. Second, we want to show you the powerful new features and functionalities that we've added to Epicenter that you're going to experience with this release. Third, we want to answer any questions that you might have. And as always, we want to have fun with you. Research tells us students learn more when they're having fun, and we believe the same to be true with adults. We want this webinar to be informative, interactive, and fun for you. So please help us by engaging with our team and your Epicenter colleagues who are participating from around the country. Here we go. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share our vision for Epicenter with you and explain why we are so passionate about helping you and your organization make an even bigger difference for kids. Then, I'm going to pass the baton to my teammates who are going to walk you through Epicenter's new features and functionalities and answer any questions that you may have. One of the reasons our team is so passionate about Epicenter is because we see so many people becoming frustrated and feeling overwhelmed with the growing legal, regulatory, and contractual demands being placed on them. An analogy would be that it often feels like pushing a boulder up a mountain. It's futile, and you eventually become exhausted. We also see too many people giving all they've got, but not really moving the needle, because they don't gain the momentum that comes with having a system that leverages the power of technology, making their work repeatable and sustainable over time. Imagine three people in a boat, all rowing in different directions. They wouldn't get too far, would they? Now imagine the same three people in the same boat, rowing in the same direction. They'd get further, wouldn't they? Now, let's imagine them rowing in the same direction and rowing in harmony. They'd accelerate and go much further. In our world, we see three groups, authorizers, boards, and schools, as the people that need to be rowing in the same direction for kids. Imagine how much more could be accomplished for our kids in our country if authorizers, boards, and schools were completely aligned around a shared set of performance expectations. Our vision for Epicenter is to be the system that helps bring these stakeholders together and provides them with a common platform for aligning their efforts and bringing greater clarity to each other's roles and responsibilities. That's why our development team has been programming Epicenter so you can use it on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. We want you to have access to the documents and information you need to advance your cause anytime, anywhere, any place. We want Epicenter to simplify the complex and free you up from the things that can be made routine so you have more time to spend on your organization's core mission. We also want Epicenter to save you time and money. That's why we're on a quest to eliminate duplication. There simply is too much important work to be done to waste time on things that can be streamlined, automated, and shared. Those of you that have been with us for a while know that we are advocates of Jim Collins and his framework for greatness, which is composed of disciplined people, disciplined thought, and disciplined action. We see Epicenter as the framework for greatness that you can deploy within and across organizations to empower people and provide them with a disciplined approach for getting things done. And we want you to have the balance and peace of mind that comes with knowing your organization is on top of its game. Our crystal ball says the future is going to be about three things: performance, performance, and performance. With this release, you'll see that we've developed what we call Performance Center. Performance Center can generate both academic and financial dashboards for an individual school and for an entire portfolio of schools. We believe this is going to be a game changer. It empowers all, authorizers, boards, and schools, regardless of their size and capacity, with the power to easily generate, view, and share leading-edge graphs and charts that show how schools are performing in a manner that everyone can easily understand. I could go on, but you get the idea. So let me close with this. We care about you and your success. We are grateful for your business and the trust you place in us. We are open to and value your feedback. We believe in continuous improvement and want you to push us to always become better at what we do. We believe greatness begins with a conscious choice. So let's always choose to passionately pursue greatness, and together we will make an even bigger difference for kids. Thanks for listening. And as the webinar format does not allow us to see your body language, please share with us if you are smiling, crying, or applauding as we move through our time together. I'm now going to pass the baton over to my teammates who are going to show you the new power we've added to Epicenter and answer any questions that you might have.